Hello and welcome. If you are a user of Google Scholar for scientific information or for law information, and you are a user of Google Chrome, you can set up a Scholar-based PDF reader inside of Chrome. You'll see here that this is being advertised on the Google Scholar homepage. We are going to click Try Now. What you'll notice also is that if you don't have the advertisement on the Google Scholar homepage, you can also go to the Chrome Web Store. You can look for extensions, and you can search for Google Scholar PDF Reader. Once you do that, you can then add this application to your Google Chrome browser. You will then click Add Extension. The application is now pinned to our toolbar. We are now going to search for scientific information. In the case where PDFs are going to be available, we can click on them. What you will notice with the extension is we then have a manageable process here in the margin. We can also then enable AI outline for all PDFs. We're going to click Sure. We can also see thumbnails of the pages, and we can use the PDF reader to organize the reading of our content. So with every article that you open with the extension, you will then be able to utilize the outline, and you'll be able to utilize it in a way that assists you in your understanding. Now, you can go into the settings of the Chrome plugin, and what you can do is you can allow access to file URLs. That means then that you can open up your browser-based PDFs for analysis inside of the plugin, so that if we open up a PDF with Chrome, we then have access to all of the tools inside of Chrome of the PDF reader. Thanks for that, things, and I will see you in another video.